to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to power button on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on gestures. After click on gestures, scroll down and click on press and hold power button. After click on press and hold power button, if you want to link or unlink Google Assistant to power button, so if you want to set, so select power menu and digital assistant. After select power menu and digital assistant, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.